So let's go ahead and show you this beautiful watch. Crown side, beautiful condition. I mean, with this black light, as you can see, it's a beautiful teal blue. Purpose of this video is to show you how the watch is running and also to look at the condition that it's in with looking at all the side contents as well. Let's go ahead and show you this beautiful watch. Here we have it in beautiful condition and all new condition. So as you can see, beautiful. Here, let's go over the condition. Here we have the bottom angle of the watch. Here we have the bottom left angle of the watch. Here we have the case side. Here we have the top left, top of the watch, top right, crown side. Oh, let me go ahead and fix that for you. There you go. Beautiful condition. And bottom right. Also, one thing I did forgot to show, the clasp. Look how beautiful that clasp is in pristine condition. There we go. With a beautiful case back. Again, open clasp. Here we have this screw down crown. Once it pops out, you can go ahead and manually wind it here. Once it's popped out, you can go ahead and move the hands. Let's give you a 24-hour sweep. That way you can see how smoothly these hour hands run. There you go. Now another feature this watch has, it does have a chronograph function. So to unscrew it, you just simply unscrew the top and press it here, and then it starts the chronograph on the needle right there, which is nice. Go ahead and unscrew the bottom. Anyways, to stop the chronograph, you can go ahead and push the top pusher again, and it goes and stops it. And to reset it, you press the bottom pusher. And one more function this watch has, it does have a loom function. I'm going to go ahead and show you that. Turn off the lights and activate it with this loom. With this black light. As you can see, it's a beautiful teal blue. Let's go ahead and see the set contents this box comes with. Here we have the Daytona manual. Here we have the warranty card with the warranty booklet, as you can see. There you go. Here we have both hang tags, the white hang tag with the green hang tag. Thanks.